Were you tired of spending hours creating videos? Do you wish you could create stunning videos in seconds? Well, have no fear because the power of artificial intelligence, AI, is here. That's right, folks. AI is not only changing the way we live, work, and communicate, but it's also revolutionizing the way we create videos. And, trust us, you won't want to miss out on this crazy video-making revolution. Imagine having a world of possibilities at your fingertips. With AI, you can create videos that are engaging, informative, and captivating in mere seconds. You can choose from a vast array of styles, themes, and effects to create a video that fits your brand or message. Whether you want to create a product demo, explainer video, or marketing campaign, AI has got you covered. Now, let's talk about the crazy, mind-blowing benefits of AI in video creation. With AI, you can create videos that would have taken hours or even days to produce manually. AI-powered tools can automatically analyze your footage, identify the key elements, and create a polished final product in seconds. No more endless hours of video editing, revisions, or reshoots. With AI, you'll have more time to focus on the things that matter. Another mind-boggling benefit of AI in video creation is the democratization of video production. In the past, video creation was reserved for professionals with access to expensive equipment and software. But with AI, anyone can create professional-looking videos with just a few clicks. AI-powered tools have made video creation accessible and affordable for everyone, from small businesses to solo entrepreneurs. But that's not all. AI has also made video creation smarter and more intuitive. With AI-powered tools, you can create videos that are tailored to your audience's preferences and behavior. AI can analyze your viewers' engagement and suggest improvements to your videos, making them even more effective and engaging. And let's not forget about the cost savings. With AI-powered video creation tools, you can create videos at a fraction of the cost of traditional methods. You no longer need to hire a team of video editors, animators, or designers to create high-quality videos. With AI, you can create videos in-house and save your company thousands of dollars in video production costs. In conclusion, the benefits of AI in video creation are out of this world. With AI, you can create stunning videos in seconds, democratize video production, and save time and money. So what are you waiting for? Join the AI video creation revolution and unleash your creative potential.